Hi guys, today we are talking 7.5 and it's graphing our parent functions. Due to this weird abbreviated school year, today we are going to just focus on sine and cosine. Now what I have in front of me is the unit circle. Okay, so everyone should be looking at their unit circle because that's where I'm getting all of these values from. Now I've already gone ahead, we're going to talk about sine of theta first. And you're going to notice that our graph is just a little bit different because our x-axis is in terms of radians. It's in terms of the pi values that we have on our unit circle. Now, the pi values that I used are the four corners pi values. I used 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. Okay, now reason being, our sine of theta is our y value. And if we look at those four corners, all of the y values are combinations, it's zeros and ones, zeros and negative ones. It makes it really easy to graph this, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and on here we have 0 to 2 pi. So I'm actually gonna start right here and do 0, pi over 2 pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. Okay, we're looking at our sine of theta, which is our y values at those spots. So our y value at 0 is 0. At pi over 2, it's 1. At pi, it's 0. At 3 pi over 2, it's negative 1. And at 2 pi, it is 0. Okay, so what we have is a pattern. 0, 1, 0, negative 1, 0. And that pattern, guys, that actually goes throughout the entire, it goes on for infinity. So we literally, in order to get these values back here, we literally just need to continue on that pattern. 0, negative 1, 0, 1. 0, negative 1, 0, 1, 0. And that's going to give us all the values that we need in order to plot this out. So at negative 2 pi, I'm at 0. At negative 3 pi over 2, I'm up at 1. At negative pi, I'm back to 0. At negative pi over 2, I'm down at negative 1. At 0, I'm at 0. Pi over 2, I'm at 1, 0, negative 1, 0. Okay? Now, if I were to just connect these linearly, it would be very, very choppy. A sine curve is a wave, okay? It's just a wave. So when I'm connecting these values, all I need to do is kind of arc them in waves. So I'm going to just jump over here and show you guys. All that happens is I go like that, okay? And there's our sine curve.